To save on costs, many companies will estimate their inventory, and one of the ways they do this is called the retail method to estimate inventory. There are 4 steps to estimating inventory using the retail method. Calculate the total cost of goods available for sale at cost and at retail. Calculate a cost ratio, which is the formula, the cost of goods available for sale at cost divided by the cost of goods available for sale at retail. Subtract or deduct net sales from the cost of goods available for sale at retail, and then multiply the calculated cost ratio from step 3 times the ending inventory at retail. And one note, cost is how much a business paid for a particular item, and retail is how much the business sells the item for. Let's go through a very basic example, and we'll create a chart as we go. A business sells an item, say a desk lamp. The beginning inventory at cost is $300 and $390 at retail. Over a given time period, the business restocks the item as it sells. Over this period, the purchases made have a value of $1,240 at cost and $1,612 at retail. The net sales over this period are $1,365 at retail. So what is the estimated ending inventory at cost? Step 1 is to calculate the total cost of goods available for sale at cost and at retail. Starting with cost, the beginning inventory at cost was $300, and the purchases at cost were $1,240. So $300 plus $1,240 equals $1,540, and that is the cost of goods available for sale at cost. Now for retail. The beginning inventory at retail was $390, and the purchases at retail were $1,612. So $390 plus $1,612, and that equals $2,002, and that is the cost of goods available for sale at retail. And step 1 is complete. Step 2 is to calculate a cost ratio, and the formula is cost of goods available for sale at cost divided by the cost of goods available for sale at retail. We just calculated both of these in step 1, so we have $1,540 divided by $2,002, which equals 0.769 or 76.9% rounded off, which is the cost ratio, and step 2 is complete. Step 3 is to subtract or deduct net sales from the cost of goods available for sale at retail. From the given information, the net sales were $1,365, so we subtract that from $2,002, which equals $637, and this is actually the ending inventory at retail, and step 3 is complete. Step 4 is to multiply the cost ratio times the ending inventory at retail, so we have 76.9% or 0.769 times $637, which equals $490, and this is the estimated inventory at cost, and step 4 is complete. In closing, this is a way that a business can estimate their ending inventory at cost, rather than physically going through and counting each and every item. Alright my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.